Central Asia, home of wisdom engraved in ancient, informative and carved stones. Anatolia, hosting wisdom of both East and West. In 1995, this ancient wisdom of Central Asia and Anatolia was realized in Bishkek through an academic bridge between Turkey and Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan-Turkey Manas University. Kyrgyzstan, bearing the history and culture of millennia and the richness of natural life, is a country where diverse nations live in peace, tranquility and confidence under the umbrella of democracy. The capital Bishkek serves as an international intersection in Central Asia. Bishkek, on the ancient Silk Road, which is rapidly developing as a modern city with all the appropriate facilities for university students, is itself a city of universities. Manas is a multicultural university, attracting qualified staff from 6 countries and students from 16 to Bishkek.
Türkmen halkının adından, Gül Uygur halkının adından,
Kazak elinin adından,
Mongol Sibirimiz, tamamı Mardin Afganistan,
我仅代表中国人民
Azerbaycan halkı adından, Mardin
bütün Uzbek halkından, Azerbaycan'ın adından,
Kırgız elinin adından, Türkiye adına selamlıyorum.
Manas, a state university with special status, has 9 faculties, 2 institutes, 4 four-year colleges, a vocational school, and 6 research centers. At Manas, students from Turkey, Kyrgyzstan, and other Turkic republics and communities are educated and trained to professional life in the only campus university in Central Asia that is provided with such contemporary opportunities. At Manas, the languages of instruction are Kyrgyz and Turkish, but students can also study English, Russian, and Chinese as foreign languages. Students may increase their professional knowledge and experience by way of internships, mainly in Turkey, as well as in Russia, China, and other Turkic sister countries and communities in Central Asia, and also in other countries. Besides, students have been employed in 27 countries worldwide. All staff and students at Manas, benefiting from a fast Kyrgyz internet infrastructure and using this in a library and learning center, can gain access to the world's most important databases. All students are taught in smart classrooms by well-known and competent lecturers from different parts of the world. Students at Manas apply knowledge they acquire in laboratories equipped with the latest technology and in an advanced research-oriented computer laboratory, a food technology laboratory, the Engineering Faculty's Central Research Laboratory, a computer animation laboratory, and in a drama studio and technology center, all render service to other faculties on campus and in the business world. The television studio, regarded as one of the best, most modern of its kind in Eurasia, equipped with the latest technology with the support of Turkey under the supervision of Turkey's Radio and Television Corporation, has helped in enhancing relationships in the Turkic world. In the university's Radio Manas FM and television studios, students are trained to become professional broadcasters. Manas University's Turkic World Orchestra performs diverse music from all over the Turkic world. Manas University provides the best possible opportunities for students on both the Bishkek city center and the Jal Chingiz Atmatov campuses. At Manas, students are educated in modern faculty buildings and live in quality dormitories designed as student homes. Students can be treated at the university's health center, operating 24 hours a day, all 7 days a week, with qualified medical specialists. Students at Manas enjoy an active life in campus with social, cultural, and sporting activities throughout the whole year, and they can improve themselves in student clubs they organize. Manas University is the only tuition-free university in Kyrgyzstan, offering scholarship opportunities to all students, and students enrolling from Turkey may apply for scholarships and credit provided by the Students' Credit and Boarding Organization. Academic activities and educational programs at Manas are designed in accordance with the Bologna process, and a large number of scientific projects are conducted in close cooperation with organizations and institutions of higher learning and scientific centers abroad. In addition, students and academic staff have been taking advantage of student exchange and staff mobility programs. With the concept of service to society, Manas University aims to contribute to the development of Kyrgyzstan's economic, social, and cultural structures. Education, training, research, and practice complexes used by the many faculties, institutes, and colleges of Manas will be an important part of the university's powerful service infrastructure. The ancient wisdom both countries have already had, Kyrgyzstan Turkey Manas University, with a vision of becoming internationally recognized in education as well as a scientific center, has been casting light on the world of science from the heart of Asia. With Kyrgyzstan Turkey Manas University, the future is in our hands.